20 years ago, I looked for a weekly newsletter with practical, universal tools and techniques for conscious executives, free of dogma and superstition. There was no such newsletter, so I chose to write it myself. A conscious executive is a leader who chooses virtues over vices. You sell great products and services at a good price. You see your employees as souls that are here to grow and contribute. You give back to the world through your profits to causes you believe in, and you run sustainable business practices. And you measure success by quality of life for you, your team, and the world. So each week, the Conscious Executive newsletter offers case studies, simple techniques, and clear theory and practice to help you remove stress, increase team harmony, improve profits using energy healing, meditation, and practical spirituality. Each issue gives you the energy behind business with real-world examples and resources you use right away to become a better executive. My name is Christian Long, and my life turned around in 2004 when I met my spiritual teacher, Grandmaster Choa Kok Sui. He taught me how to grow up personally, financially, and spiritually. And for more than 20 years, I've tried my best to be an example of my teacher's teachings. They have allowed me to help hundreds of executives in more than 13 countries. Using these principles, one client quadrupled revenue within 12 months, another closed a major deal in 2 months after years of no movement, and a third client tripled his salary within 3 months after 5 years of money problems and custody battles. In my own life, these practices helped me double my income in 1 year, remove addictions that sent me to the hospital, dissolve bouts of rage so severe cost thousands of dollars in damages, and move from low self-esteem and negative pride to clarity, stillness, and inner peace. Now, I don't claim to be perfect, but I do know without a shadow of a doubt that if I can change my life using these principles and practices, you absolutely can change yours. Additional benefits of the Conscious Executive newsletter is lower stress so you can make faster, calmer decisions, greater team harmony so meetings move and projects finish, higher profitability because energy turns into focused execution, learn and experience things that you will not find anywhere else, and ongoing support through live executive meditations and energy demos. If this speaks to you, subscribe to the Conscious Executive newsletter now. And if you love the free information in the newsletter, you will really love what's offered in our paid services through the Executive Inner Transformation Program. So thank you for subscribing and sharing. Let's build and grow companies by developing intelligent minds, loving hearts, and powerful wills to be of service to the world. Atma Namaste.